Yo, so I was listening to this really cool song called Starstruck by Juice WRLD, and it has the most beautiful guitar part, so I'm going to show you how to play it. The chords are E minor 7, C, G, D with an F sharp in the bass. Now, we're going to add this little melody on top, which goes like this. Now if we put the melody together with a little arpeggio pattern, it's going to sound like this. Awesome, so there's basically 4 chords of this song. We're going to start with an E minor 7 chord. We're going to go to a C chord, to a G chord, and then a D major with an F sharp in the bass. Now the melody is up top like this. So in order to incorporate the melody and the chords, I'm going to have to change the voicings. So I like to do an E minor, just kind of like an open E minor like this with the top note. So I can play an arpeggio while keeping the melody on the first string. Now because I want to keep this note ringing here, I'm going to choose to play the C. Instead of playing the C chord down here, I'm going to just play the bass note C here on the 8th fret. And it's kind of like a C major 7 chord because I'm going to play the open B in there. That's okay, that's gonna sound really good. And I can get that A in there too, so that's the 6th scale degree of C. Which is gonna take us to that G chord, so we're gonna go and find this same note, A, on the 1st string, here 5th fret, and play the G here on the 3rd fret of the E string. I'm gonna slide this low G down to that F sharp so I get the bass motion. Okay? And then to get the melody here, I'm just going to slide up here. And then we go back to our E minor chord, so back to open E, to a C add 9, to a G. So I'm really keeping this D as a common note that's going to sort of secure these 3 chords together. And then to go to the last chord, I'm gonna play the same F sharp and A and get that little acciaccatura there. So we put that all together, it's gonna sound like this. Follow me for more fingerstyle guitar tutorials.